Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how you can schedule a direct live stream on YouTube. First, you need to log into your YouTube account and then you will click this create and then select go live. Then select webcam and then create your title. Hashtag direct streaming. Then schedule for later. Click this one. Then you can select the date and then the time here. So for example, 7 a.m. And then you can select also if your streaming is made for kids or it's not made for kids. So you can select the two options here. Then for the age restriction, you can select also either of the two here. Then more options. So in this part, this is your description. So you can add your description here. Then you can select a category. Then for the webcam. And then for the microphone. So for me, I'm using the external microphone. Then click advanced settings. So you can on and off allow chat and the video contains paid promotion such as paid products, so you can on this one if your video contains paid promotion. Then enable monetization, you can on this one if you are a monetized channel. Then go back, then you will check your description and title, then click next. So this would be my thumbnail. Then you can share your live stream. You can share to your Facebook, Twitter. You can copy here, copy video link. Then you can also click this one, edit. So you can check your title, your description. If you want to add more about your description, so you can add here. Then the visibility. So private, unlisted, members only, or public. Then this is for the category, and then for the thumbnail, you can change your thumbnail. So for example, this thumbnail, and then you can select a folder, a playlist folder. So live streaming, done. Then for the comment visibility, you can choose here. So for me, example, hold potentially inappropriate. Then if you want, if you don't want to show your like and dislike, you can uncheck this one. And if you want to show, you can check this one. Then click save. Save, or you can check here also the live chat. So you can select enable slow mode or only channel members. Then live redirect, you can select here. Select where to redirect viewers. Then monetization, you can on the monetization here. Okay, then after checking all, you can click this save. Okay, the thumbnail is already changed. Then you can click done. So it will save it here. So anytime if you are ready, so you can click this schedule live stream. Then you can click go live. Okay, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.